Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I go by MSAWEBB on all platforms, which will be linked down below in the description. I'm a part-time reseller on Poshnmark as well as eBay. So on this channel you'll find everything dealing with reselling, including what sold videos, to hauls, to unboxings, as well as some tips and tricks along the way. So if all of that sounds good to you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can come back and see more of my videos. I bought another ThredUP box. It was the Rescue Premium DIY box, 10 items. And this time I wrote exactly what it said when I purchased it, so we know what the description says and what's supposed to be in the box. So hopefully there will be no surprises. All right. It's ThredUP time, guys. ThredUP time. Okay, no, so I did get another ThredUP box, and if you saw my previous ThredUP unboxing, I will link it above. I was pretty angry about it. And then there was some issue on like whether or not I should have gotten what I got. Spoiler, it was a 5-item name brand handbag box. Apparently the fine print said that there would be 4 handbags and 1 accessory. So if you've ever purchased one of these bags, you know that when they come out unavailable, you can't really read the description. You can just see the title. So, and they go unavailable so quickly. So if you find one you want, you go in, you buy it. The only way you can see the description is, if you want to call it that, there's not that much describing words, is if you hover over the listing and it'll have like a little blurb on what it is. So apparently in that blurb, I haven't purchased this box again, it does say 4 handbags and 1 accessory from what people are telling me. Anyway, I don't really care. I still think that box was crap. I mean, I have it right here. This little thing is not, no. Anyway, okay, but if you followed me in the last video, I did get a credit. A box I have wanted to try went back up on sale that same day that I was doing an update to that video. So I went ahead and got it because I had the credit. So what I got this time was the Rescue Box Premium DIY 10 items for $100. Now, I'm going to read to you exactly what it said. So, it says Premium DIY 10 items. And then when you hover over it, it says, "Loved our DIY designer box? ? You'll be obsessed with these women's styles from high-end brands. Conditions may vary, so ready your sewing and upcycling skills." Alright, that is really all it says. These blurbs are very short and not very descriptive. So when you get the email, by the way, it will say Premium DIY, 10 items, mixed sizes. 10 items for $100. Now, I did have the $18 credit, so I only paid $82, and if something is over $70, or it might be $75, you get free shipping. So I didn't pay for shipping, so that means all of these items are $8.20 a piece. So let's go ahead and see if they were worth it, and if this box is good. Let's see. So this box was verified and corrected for order quantity. Wait, that's not what it says. Verified, correct order quantity enclosed. The initial is GC. Now, GC, I hope you did me good. Now, the follow-up initial, interestingly enough, is MB again, which MB didn't do me so good the last time. But this box is from an entirely different state, so I don't know if that's the same MB. So maybe it's a different one who will be better to me. This box is from Pennsylvania. Hopefully this is better. I feel like a lot of the boxes from Georgia are not good, and that's typically what I got. And that's typically what I get, because if you didn't know, I live in Georgia, so I get those boxes. But this is from Pennsylvania, so let's see what's in it. Ugh. I have not looked at anything, so this will be a surprise for me as well. Ooh, I see something pretty. I'm just going to go... No, I can't get it. It's all wrapped into one. Why do they always, like, wrap it like a little tornado in there? They always do that. Okay. Got something striped. So, my grandmother used to say striped instead of, like, something is striped. And I found out that wasn't a word. But whatever. I still use it. So, it's just this striped blouse Little button down kind of work blouse. It is by Bailey 44, size small. I think Bailey 44 is sold at Nordstrom. So already this has been, I think, cut. Yeah, this has got a slit. But that's not really a big deal. You know, this is probably not something I would have picked up in the thrift store for $8.20, but it's okay. It's not terrible. I can resell this. One item. There seems to be some interesting colors. Namely, this is one of them. Okay, this is a dress by Jonathan Simkai, which I've heard of, but don't remember. Jonathan Simkai, can you even see that? It is a size, what is that? A size 0. And it is kind of a satiny button front dress. It's got kind of like these puffed sleeves. It's kind of like very vintagey feel to it. Oh, it buttons all the way down. Sorry, I thought it was only the top. So this is really cute. I like the color. It's like a seam foam. Let's see. What does the tag say? Jonathan Simkai. That's probably not how you say that, by the way. Acetate and polyester. I've heard of this brand. Never found it. So I will look it up. And I will put the comps here on the screen so we can see. It is really cute, so I'm not mad about that. I really don't know how much it'll resell for. This is a very vivid color here. So hopefully this is good. Okay, this is Jill Stewart. Yes? Or Jill Stewart. Red color block sheath dress. Oh, hey, this is handy. It has the MSRP $378. Wow. And somebody was selling it for $53. I'm assuming like a secondhand store. But yeah, it's just a red and pink color block dress. I should definitely get this up before Valentine's Day, yeah? This looks very nice. It's size 6, by the way. So I can't be mad about that. Oh, wait, are these straps? Oh, thank God. Okay, because what I was going to say is strapless doesn't do that well for me. Like, strapless is pretty much a death to all dresses. Oh, it is split right here at the hem, but somebody could stitch that. Somebody could stitch that easily. So, you know, we'll see what it would go for. It's definitely been worn, but it's not in, like, terrible condition. It is really cute. I'll try to get that up before Valentine's Day, but, you know, you know me. Sometimes that doesn't happen. Okay, this is cute. It's like embroidery. What is this? What is it? It is Cupcakes and Cashmere. Size medium. I think Cupcakes and Cashmere is sold at Nordstrom. I like this top. I've sold it before. I sold like a simple tank top for like $25, so this is not bad. This is really cute. I like it. It's kind of got, oh crud, what is this called? It's not, what is this material? It's not like terry cloth, but it's like a type of knit. I will put it on the screen if I remember. But yeah, this is cute. I'm not mad. Sorry. There's some more embroidery in here, or lace, by the way. Okay, I'm thinking jumpsuit? Okay. Oh my God. Okay. 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 So, I'm really excited about this. Okay, please don't be damaged. Please don't be damaged. Okay, it's dirty. I see. Oh no, is that an iron? No! Son of a bitch. Okay. Someone iron this. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I was excited. Now I'm not. Maybe I can, like, get it, like, hemmed and just, like, sell it as a capri jumpsuit. Anyway, what the brand is, I'm very sorry, is, I'm going to say it wrong, but it's I'm going to put it on the screen, but it's Chiribani. Made in Italy. It's like Chiribani La Petite Robe. Now, some of you might not have heard of this, but I gotta tell you, I only ever found this item one time. This brand. And it was a dress. And it sold for like full asking, I think $150 within a week. And I've looked at comps. They're high for this brand. And I don't hear anyone ever talking about it. This is super cute, by the way. It's got like a slit at the chest. And it's like a navy jumpsuit. Oh my god, this would have done so well, guys. It would have done so well. Oh, is there nothing I can do? I just, like, I can't let this go. Is there nothing I can do? Could I, like, maybe if I just, like, shortened it? I can't do that. But, you know, someone who could and sell it as more of a capri jumpsuit. Oh, I think it'd sell better than me just selling it as is. I don't know. This saddens me. This would have been so good. I'm going to put comps. I'm pretty sure it would have been so good because the dress that I sold wasn't even this nice. Dang. Oh, I hope I can do something. I want to save it. Whoa, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is very pretty. Whatever this is. This is Monique Lehoulière. No? Monique Lehoulière. I feel like I should know, again, what that brand is, and I don't. I don't guess I find very many high-end pieces, although I did find that other brand. Look at this. This is pretty, yo. Look at this. This is so pretty. What size is this? And it's a 14. That's my size. Guys. No. Okay, we'll see how much it comps for. How gorgeous is this? What's wrong with it? Why did they not want to sell it? Why? What's wrong? I feel like there's got to be something wrong I'm not seeing. Is there a hole? Is there a hole? There is a hole. That is what it is. There's a hole. Oh, they put tape there. Thanks for letting me know. That could be like stitched, right? If not, I mean, if I couldn't sell it stitched a little, I would wear this stitched a little, you know? This is beautiful. This is beautiful. I mean, I get why ThredUP couldn't sell it, but I think I can. That is beautiful. Oh, maybe you shouldn't get these boxes because it's just maybe going to make you mad. Because it's going to be like, oh, if they were not damaged, I could make hundreds of dollars. No, I don't know. What are you? What are you, like a scuba? Okay, I get what's wrong. The straps are falling off. But those could be stitched. But I get, that's what it is. This is come off. It's about to come all the way off. What is this brand? I can't even see it. Cough something. Size 6. I don't know. I don't know. It's like a short, pleated in the front, scuba dress with these nude, sheer pieces to the upper strap. Ooh, it's thick. It's a very heavy dress, actually. Alright, let's see if it's got the brand on the bottom. It doesn't. It's a polyester nylon spandex. I don't know, it has the RN number, but it's cough something. I'll put it on the screen. I don't think this is actually as bad as the other two, because, like, really, you could do a little stitch across there and it'd be fine. So, here's hoping. These are some pants. Are these? Hey, these are maternity pants. I've never gotten maternity in one of these. But it's Paige, size 30, maternity pants. Yeah, skinny jean, black maternity pants. That's kind of cool. I've sold designer maternity pants before, and they've sold really well. I think the ones I sold were 7 for All Mankind, but those should do well, especially a size 30. Not bad. Not mad about that one. I think we have one or two. Two items left. Okay, what are you? Oh, I've gotten this brand before. I think it's sold at Nordstrom. Cara. I think I got it in a B&G trading box. Cara, size medium. It's pretty. It's like a white, which is nerve-wracking, midi dress. Kind of like a... Wait, is that what's wrong with it? Yes, it's completely split in the front. Like, completely split down the middle. Did someone want a V-neck or something? Because this is not... It's supposed to be like this, y'all. Ugh. This might just be trash, because that's pretty bad. Plus, it smells like smoke. That might just be trash. Okay. Last item is a slate and, I think, snow knit sweater. It's a black knit sweater. What's wrong with it? I feel like, oh, and it's got like these bell sleeves. I think I've gotten this brand before too from other stuff. It's cotton. Maybe this is what would smell like smoke. I don't know. Is it slate and snow? I can't really see. They all have these barcodes. Is that original or like ThredUP put that on there? I don't know. But yeah, it's still a cute sweater. I don't see any damage to this one actually. So, interesting. Okay. I think that was 10. Let me count it. Okay, so that was 10 items. I'm cautiously happy about this box. I think I'll definitely make my money back, especially since I got that $18 off. I'm just going to be really bummed if I can't do something about that Chiribani jumpsuit. Now that white piece, that's probably going to be trash. I don't even know how you'd fix that. I mean, it is slit down the middle. The dress, if I can't fix the hole, I'll keep. What was the other thing that was damaged? Oh yeah, the strap dress. I think I can fix that or have it fixed. So I'm pretty happy. I'm going to say I'm happy. I think the only thing I'm bummed about is the iron print on that jumpsuit because I just think of how much it probably would have sold for. And I could be wrong. It could not have sold for a lot. I don't think I'm going to be wrong, but I could be wrong. We'll see, guys. I'm going to go ahead and say that I'm happy about this box, though. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that thumbs up button if you did, and subscribe if you haven't already so you can come back and see more of my content. But until next time, you guys, I will see you later. Bye.